YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to the video. It's your boy RPG Maniac. I got a big unboxing for you guys today. I'm gonna be unboxing a couple of products. Um, as y'all can see, I got the iPhone 17 Pro. I have a 45-watt MagSafe charger. I also have a full coverage privacy screen protector to protect my investment. And I'm also going to be doing an unboxing of the iSteady V3 Ultra because I need that gimbal. I am going live at the end of this month, October 31st, for the Halloween parade. So if you guys want to see that, you guys could follow me on TikTok. All right. But I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. All right, so let me just clip my mic. I'm gonna clip my mic right here. All right, so first I'm gonna unbox this, the screen protector. You know what I'm saying? Unbox the screen protector. All right, nothing else in there. Show y'all what this looks like. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Let's get that open. I'm gonna take that out. All right, so as y'all can see, this right here is the screen protector. This has a privacy screen. All right, so we're gonna put that to the side. All right, now we're gonna open this right here. Open this up. Hold on, let me get something to cut this open. All right, let's see. There we go. Right now, man, this thing is a little struggle. All right. Okay, so this right here is the power bank. All right. Let's see. Right here, we got some manuals. I'll show y'all that. Let's take this out. This also has like a kickstand, so see, got a little kickstand and stuff. All right. I'm also going to unbox this. All right. Pull these tabs off. Oh, that's so satisfying. So y'all see, that's the phone right there. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I got to be very careful. Y'all see what comes in there. I know y'all seen plenty of these unboxings already. All right, so let me just put that to the side. All right. Yeah, that's the phone and stuff. All right, let's pull this tab off. Ooh, look at that screen. Let's go. Let's get that in the camera. Y'all see? Yeah, it's gonna be lit. All right. So that's the phone. All right, now it's time to pull out the big boy. So we got this right here. That's the V3 Ultra iSteady gimbal. Get that nice stabilization shots. All right. Let's get this open. Looks like I gotta. Let's get this. Okay. There we go. All right. So yeah, see. Got that. Now let's open up the box. This is a beautiful box. I don't want to destroy it, so let me see. A little struggle. Good Lord, this thing is. All right, hold on, guys. Give me a second. Man, looks like I didn't have any choice, but we got it open. We got some manuals. Okay. Oh, wow. That's all I had to do. Oh, well. It is what it is. I gotta be very careful with this. So it comes with this little carrying case. This is the manual. Let me take the manual out so I can show you guys right quick. So there we go. You guys can see that. We'll just put those to the side. Looks like tracking. Watch this video tutorial. Okay, I'll watch that later. Okay. Alright, so I'll put that right there. Okay, it looks like it comes with a Type C cable. Yeah, so this is the Type C cable. It also comes with this. Yeah, I can see right there. All right. So we got all that. Now let's take this out. And this right here is the gimbal, guys. I don't know how exactly this works, but yeah, comes with a little screen and stuff. Yeah, see? Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. I like it. Yeah. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. That was my little unboxing. Yeah, I look forward to shooting content with this. All right, y'all stay blessed.